Hey super tech heroes! Today, our Iron Man is, with a cool new gadget on his suit, a hand sensor that blasts a laser when it sees movement. Let's go. Let us understand how it will work. Step 1. Prepare my sensor, pin mod, A6, input. Here, A6 is connected to IR sensor for motion detection. So, pin mod, A6, input, will read the analog input received from pin A6. Step 2. Get my laser ready. Pin mode 4, output. Here, pin D4 is connected to the laser LED. So, code, pin mode 4, output, will make laser ready to fire from Iron Man's hand. Step 3. Read sensor vision. Analog read, A6. Here, analog read, reads the state from analog pin, A6. And stores the state in a memory place of integer type, named as IR state. Step 4. Did I spot something super close? If IR state is less than 999, then digitalWrite 4 high means laser light connected to pin D4 will get on. You can adjust IR state value between 0 and 1023 according to your environment conditions. Step 5. Nothing detected, stand down, else digitalWrite 4 low means if value of IR state is not less than 999, then turn off the laser light connected to pin D4. Step 6. Keep scanning forever. Here, void loop method keeps on running this code in a cycle and turns the laser on or off accordingly. Let's have a quick revision. Step 1. Pin mode A6, input, prepares Iron Man's hand sensor. Step 2. Pin mode 4, output, makes laser ready to blast. Step 3. Analog read, A6, reads the state of pin A6. Step 4. If any danger or movement is detected, laser is turned on. Else, turned off. And this cycle keeps on repeating using loop. Mission complete, you just build a motion-activated laser. Stay tuned for more tech adventures.